Hello my dear student, the student of the third grade from أطفال الرمثة النموذجية Academy. How are you today? Hope you are fine. Today we want to talk about a new unit which is Unit 12. Unit 12, review. Okay, so first of all, please open your student book at page 46. Please open your student book at page 46. Unit 12, review. Review, okay? What's the meaning of review? All of you know the meaning of review يا ثالث. كنا بنعرف what's the meaning of review. Review مراجعة. Okay? So please open your student book at page 46. Let me read the lesson and explain it. How many pictures are there? Look at this page. How many pictures are there? There are 1, 2, 3, and 4 pictures. There are 4 pictures. Who can you see in these pictures? We can see Mom, Dad, Asma, and Mazen. They are talking بتكلموا. They are talking with each other. They are talking about the class trip to وادي موجب. عن إيش بيحكوا يا ثالث؟ They are talking about the class trip to وادي موجب. عم بيحكوا عن رحلتهم لوين؟ لوادي موجب. Now, let me read the lesson. Review. Here are our photos of our class trip to وادي موجب. Asma says, here are our photos of our class trip to وادي موجب. Photos. What's the meaning of photos? صور. What's the meaning of photos? صور. These are our photos of class trip to وادي موجب. هذول صورهم لوين يا ثالث؟ للرحلة الصفية to وادي موجب. Let's we see these photos. We can see leopard. We can see a leopard, we can see cat, an eagle, a goat. Okay, so Dad asks Mazen, إيش بيسأل مازن? What animals and birds are there in وادي موجب? What animals and birds are there in وادي موجب? There are cats, leopards اللي هم الفهود, leopards, goats and eagles. There are cats. You can see many animals and birds in وادي موجب. You can see cats, leopards, goats الماعز and eagles والنسور. Picture number 3. Look at this photo. We can see Huda in this photo. We can see Huda. Okay, Huda is drinking water. She's thirsty. Okay, what's the meaning of thirsty? Thirsty, excellent. Thirsty, عطشان. So thirsty معناه الثالث. The meaning of thirsty, عطشان. And we pronounce T and H like if. We pronounce T and H like if. Huda is drinking water. She's thirsty. You must drink water when you are in the mountains. Why you must drink water when you are in the mountains? Because the weather is hot. The weather is very hot in the mountains. So you have to drink a lot of water. لازم نشرب كثير من الماء because the weather is very hot in the mountains. Number 4. Look at this photo. In this photo, all the children are having their lunch. So in this photo, we are having our lunch. يتناولوا غدائهم. We like going to وادي موجب. Asma says we like going to وادي موجب. Like يحب. We like going to وادي موجب. Okay. Now move to exercise 2. Exercise 2, say. In this exercise, you have to say sentences by using must or mustn't. You have to say sentences by using must or mustn't. For example, you mustn't shout. You must listen to the teacher. Again, you mustn't shout. You must listen to the teacher. For example, you mustn't run. You mustn't run in the class. You mustn't run in the class, okay? You mustn't run in the class. The verb after must and mustn't should be in the base form. مجرد يا ثالث. And another example. You must do your homework. You must do your homework. You must do your homework. The verb after must and mustn't should be in the base form. Okay? Should be in the base form. من دون أي إضافة يا ثالث. You mustn't run in the class. You must do your homework. You mustn't run in the class. And you must do your homework. Okay, in this exercise, you have to say sentences and write them here by using must and mustn't. Like this. You mustn't run in the class and you must do your homework. Now move to exercise 3. Listen and point. Listen and point. In this exercise, there are 4 pictures. You have to listen to me, okay? Then order these pictures correctly. There are 4 pictures, A, B, C, and D. In picture A, we can see this girl, she is reading a book. In picture B, we can see this boy, he is taking a photo. In picture C, we can see this girl, she is drawing, ترسم. And in picture D, we can see this boy and he is looking at this old paper. Yeah, listen to me carefully. Number 1. These are photos of our school trip to the museum. The museum is on the hill in Amman. What's Layla doing? Is she drawing? Yes, she is. She likes drawing very much. So which picture is which picture is Layla? In which picture we can see Layla? And Layla is drawing a picture. Excellent picture, C. So C number 1. C number 1. Number 2. What's Aisha reading? Is she reading her school book? No, she isn't. She is reading about the museum. Which picture is the correct one? Excellent. A number 2. A number 2. We are talking about Aisha and Aisha is reading a book. Number 3. What's Ibrahim doing? What is he looking at? He is looking at a page of old writing, but he mustn't touch it. It's very old. He is looking at old writing. كتابة قديمة. Excellent. So we are talking about picture D. Picture D ثالث اللي هي number 3. Picture D number 3. And the last one. What's Jaber doing? Is he taking a photo? Yes, he is. He's taking a photo of the museum. So we are talking about picture B. So write number 4 next to picture B. Okay? Now move to exercise 4. Look and say. In this exercise, there are 2 pictures. Inside each picture, we can see some animals. In picture 1, we can see a cat, an eagle, a goat, and wolves. In picture 2, we can see a cat, goats, and wolves. In this exercise, you have to use the present continuous tense, المضارع المستمر يا ثالث. For example, look at picture 1. What is the cat doing? The cat is sleeping. In picture 1, the cat is sleeping. In picture 2, what is the cat doing? The cat is jumping. The cat is jumping. Look at the board now. In picture 1, in picture 1, in picture 1, the cat is sleeping. In picture 2, the cat is jumping. In picture 1, the cat is sleeping. In picture 2, the cat is jumping. Now, we talk about the wolves. Look at the wolves in picture 1. What are the wolves doing? What are the wolves doing? Excellent, they are playing. And what are the wolves doing in picture 2? They are sleeping. Excellent. So, in picture 1, the wolves are playing. The wolves are playing with each other. In picture 2, the wolves are sleeping. In picture 2, the wolves are sleeping. Now, we talk about the goat. We talk about the goat. Look at picture 1. What is the goat doing? Is it sleeping? No, it isn't. Is it jumping? No, it isn't. So the goat is eating. The goat is eating. I am talking about one goat. So the goat is eating. In 1, the goat is eating. In 1, the goat is eating. In picture 2, there are 2 goats. In picture 2, there are 2 goats. So you have to use are. The goats are eating. Here I am talking about one goat. I am talking about one goat. So I have to use is. The goat is eating. In picture 2, the goats. The goats, I am talking about 2 goats. The goats are eating. The goats are eating. Now move to the last exercise, which is exercise 5, page 48. Okay, exercise 5, page 48. Read and match. In this exercise, we can see 3 sentences. Okay, and 3 pictures. Now, I want to read these sentences, then match each one with the correct picture. Number 1. In my city, there is a museum. It's on a hill near my house. So, in sentence number 1, I am talking about a museum. Which picture is a museum? Which picture is a museum? Museum متحف A, B or C? Excellent, B. So, match sentence number 1 with B. Match sentence number 1 with B. With picture B. Match sentence number 1 with B. Sentence number 1 with B. Okay? Now, number 2. My favorite place, مكاني المفضل, is the old Roman theater. It's in the old city. So, which picture is the old Roman theater? Which picture is the old Roman theater? A or C? In which picture can you see the old Roman theater? Excellent, A. So match sentence number 2 with A. Match sentence number 2 with A. 2 with A. Now, the last one. There is a park in my city. There are lots of trees. You mustn't climb them. You mustn't climb. This word climb is a verb. Okay, ثالث climb. Climb is a verb. Climb is a verb. Climb. Okay, this P is silent. Climb. يتسلق. Climb. يتسلق. So this P is silent. We don't pronounce it. So we are talking about picture C. So match 3 with C. Match sentence number 3 with picture C. And that's it. Goodbye and thank you so much.